Hi guys, Mitsubishi Pajero. Apparently Pajero has some rude connotation in some country or other, so they did actually rebrand it with a different name. Anyway, I picked this up in a charity shop a few years ago, converted it to hobby grade radio control, and last outing the gearbox failed. So we'll have a look at the gearbox. We'll have a look at the gearbox in a minute. Would have run on, looks like, oh yeah, it had 1, 2, 3, 4 double A's going crossways, and then another 2 double A's going that way. So 6 double A batteries, 9 volts originally. Alright, gearbox. I have done teardown videos on this before, so I'll put a link to the playlist so you can see what I did last time. Okay. At first glance, gears look okay. Maybe they were just out of alignment. Ah, right. I've got a vague recollection. I think that yellow piece, is that bit that I 3D printed? I think that's the bit I 3D printed, because that lever there pushes that gear side to side to mesh with these gears. Ah, right. Now I can see the problem. Big split in that one. So when it's pushed across that way to link to that gear, that's when it's splitting. With it pushed in one direction, that gear there meshes with that gear there. When it's pushed the other way across, that gear meshes with that gear. So it changes the ratio. Which is what that lever there does, pushes it from one side to the other, or should do. Looks like that might be broken as well. While we got the top off, I might as well just show what modification I did to it. Just an ordinary generic ESC to run the DC motor. Cut the bottom out of the battery box so I could stick a LiPo battery in there easily. And steering, that's a hobby grade servo there, quite a large one, that pushes that little bit of wire backwards and forwards to push the steering side to side. for a change, I've used 2-part epoxy resin. Usually I hot glue things like that. That's the on-off switch for the ESC. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.